All right, welcome to this video walkthrough of this really awesomely located one bedroom, just minutes to the BU main campus. So as you can see, we've already entered the living room area. It's a open concept kitchen living room layout. Very modest finishes, but we do have some good sunlight, lots of closets. All right, hardwood floors throughout. Okay, into the corridor, bathroom. So some light blue tiles, bathtub, shower, vanity, sink, toilet. Into the bedroom. We have a closet right there, a couple of windows. Again, plenty of sunlight. And it's a pretty good move-in date as well. There's a little bit of a tidying up around the unit that they still need to do before the new tenants move in, but this should give you a good idea of the space. Hope you enjoyed our video walkthrough. Oh, and there is laundry down in the basement and heat and hot water included. All right, have a good one. Bye.